EMO 2023. We're at the Fastem stand with Mikko, the CEO. We're going to find out a little bit about the company. If people don't know Fastems, who are they, what are they?
So we are the world leader in intelligent automation for high-mix CNC manufacturing. We have been in the market for more than 40 years with more than 5,000 installed systems. And we have a broad range of different kinds of automation solutions, but our key differentiator is our intelligent software, which enables really effective and flexible high-mix manufacturing.
The MMS.
MMS.
That's
correct.
right. You do like your three-letter acronyms.
Oh yeah, that's part of our company brand. So
Okay.
3 letters.
We'll come to some of those later on with one of your guys. But Fastems, your tagline is Rethink CNC Machining. What does it actually mean?
Well, automation has been around for quite a while. Now, at this moment, everybody is looking to automate machine tools because there's not enough operators. However, it's our view that it makes a difference how you automate these machines. So, it's not enough just to place a robot or a tracker crane next to a machine tool. But you have to rethink also your processes. You have to rethink how you are running the information management around those machine tools. If you're not doing that, then you are not doing the right things at the right time all the time. And that's what we are doing. So we are focusing to make sure that there's intelligent software that makes sure that there are the production resources in place when the work needs to start, and that the systems are doing the right things at the right time.
Okay, so it's not just about having that robot arm, it's about all the information in the background and using that to the key to make you really efficient.
Exactly.
Okay, but the environment we're in at the moment, it's quite tricky globally. So how are you finding that, and what are you doing?
Well, I mean, at this moment, of course, there's a lot of economical concerns and struggles around the world. Our advice to that is that there's always an opportunity inside all of these issues. So now is a good time to actually, when it's a little bit maybe more quiet, to look at how to make your production more efficient and how to be prepared for the next upturn, which will definitely come soon. One aspect to consider is definitely how to get more out of the existing production assets. So we encourage people to look into automating the existing machine tools, which is something that can be done quite frequently for the newer machine tools.
Okay, so despite sort of global downturn, now is definitely the time to invest. Okay, but we've seen that, over the years in terms of automation, where do you see, people maybe thought looking at a robot arm, but it's a lot more specific than that now, and there's a lot more different options. So where do you see automation now and in the future?
Well, I mean, there's kind of two sides to it. So everybody's talking about automation and looking at automation because there's not enough skilled people available. There's a lot of newcomers to automation, and for newcomers, there's a lot of let's say easy to buy, easy to use solutions that are a good starting point on the automation journey. We have those in our portfolio, and they still come with our advanced software, so the customers can then expand and upgrade going forward, so that the initial investment is always safe with us. And we are really happy to help newcomers on their journey. For those who have been working with automation longer, the focus is in more like a done-in-one manufacturing. Manufacturing the workpieces from raw materials into ready-made components with one go without human intervention, integrating more process steps, integrating robotics for higher automation rates, and also integrating data systems so that information flows automatically as well. And altogether, going forward, world is becoming more and more complex. Mixes are increasing, and the batch sizes are decreasing, which means that increased flexibility is always called for, and that goes for flexibility in the software, flexibility in the layouts, and also flexibility in the business models going forward.
Okay, well that ties in perfectly with some of the products we're going to review. And get this right, the FPT, the ALD, and launch at EMO as well, the FPS. So let's go and look at those. So first of the products is the FPS being launched at EMO. Sven, tell me more about it.
Yeah, the FPS, it's an amazing product actually, to be honest. So it shows and it integrates all our experience over decades now. And it's a flexible pallet system. It's available for one machine, for one tool machine, but you can extend it over the time. As your business is growing, you can extend it up to 4 machines now, or even in some cases, after a while, you can extend it to more machines.
In terms of flexibility, how many pallets will it take?
Well, it's basically unlimited because you can extend it. The pallet storage you can extend it. As it is modular, it's so easy to be extended over the time.
Okay, and essentially, again, because of flexibility, any configuration, so in a line or the machines all around the system, however you want.
Well, however you want. 360 is a word for it. So 360 degrees. You can put it on the front, on the back, on the side, wherever you want. And that's the beauty of this system, because especially today in all these factories, in Central Europe especially, we are lacking footprint. We are lacking footprint space, so this is a perfect option for it.
Okay, so that's the FPS. We've then got the ALD, which we can see running behind us, which ties in with the FPS.
It is. It's actually the extension. So if you have a flexible pallet system, and you want to really extend your automated processes, then, well, here you could put a worker, actually, and doing this work. So taking off the parts of the pallet and then loading new raw material on. But if you want to really automate it and think of night shifts, lights of production, then you should think of ALD, because that does the work of the worker, what usually a worker will do. And of course, it gives you the opportunity to reduce your pallets. So you don't need that many pallets because it's constantly loading new pallets.
Okay. It's perfect because the skills gap, trained engineers, highly skilled engineers don't want to be loading billets all day, do they?
Exactly so.
Get the robot to do it.
Yeah.
Easy to program?
Very easy because it's integrated. It's integrated in our MMS, our overall software, so perfectly easy.
Okay, and then last but not least, to make your full automation for your machine shop, we've got the FPT. What is that?
Well, the FPT is our entry model, if you want. So if you want to automate one tool machine, then this is your model. It's very compact. It's the most compact product on the market. We have launched the 500 FPT last AMB.
We say 500 kilos.
500 kilos, you're completely right. And this one is now up to a ton, so up to 1,000 kilos.
How many billets can it hold? How many components?
24, up to 24 pallets. And the biggest beauty of it, of course, is it's adjustable with all two machines of the market. So we have a library of interfaces for all two machines existing in the market.
Okay, new machines, old machines, any machine?
Yeah, whatever you want.
We say any machine, it's really aimed at 4 and 5 axis machine.
Oh, yeah, completely right. Yeah,
okay.
4 and 5 axis machine.
But you've got 24 pallets in there. Can it be 24 different jobs?
Yeah, it can be. Yep, surely. That is basically our main slogan.
Okay, so
high
that's
mix,
size 1.
High mix, low volume.
Okay, and again, easy to control and ties in with the MMS system.
Exactly so. Yeah, so you will always have our intelligence on top of it. Intelligence developed basically over many decades now.
Excellent, Sven. A great little overview of your products, the ALD, the FPT, and your latest offering, the FPS. So any interest in that, get in contact with the guys at Fastems.